Originally this area that we've got the canopy over was just a netball court really, with a fence around it. And it wasn't much use to us when it was raining and wet and miserable, and obviously didn't provide any sun protection in summer. So we were looking to actually expand the spaces where our kids could be doing activities, including physical education, those sorts of things. And we thought a canopy would help us both to provide an outdoor learning area and also in summer to provide some sun protection. I was approached by the junior school to try and identify some way of providing cover over the netball courts, and we chose Shade Systems because the price was good, and I was impressed by the quality of the people who were dealing with us, and that they could provide relevant answers and basically demonstrate that they could meet the needs of the school. The Shade Systems team demonstrated that they knew how to do this, they'd done it before, and they filled me with confidence that I could rely on them to project manage it. It's a little bit tricky on this site because we've got some big power cables that go through, and they had to get a special licence for doing the digging around the site. But they did all that themselves. I didn't have to chase them. They gave me regular reports, so I knew what was happening, and I thought the project manager installation was a really professional exercise. The kids love going in there, get away from the heat in summer, and a whole lot of sports activities have been able to take place that wouldn't have been able to take place previously. I'd recommend Shade Systems. They made my life really easy, right from the point of signing the agreement through the project management. What I really liked is they kept me informed. I have a lot of dealings with other companies and organisations, and quite often I find I'm having to chase them for information. I never felt that with Shade Systems. They kept me briefed. I think I got weekly reports on progress, so I always knew what the state of the project was. And we really had no issues. They had to deal with council, they had to deal with our property team, and that went really smoothly. They just seemed to be people that knew their business, knew how to do it, and they were just nice, easy people to work with.